what is a vision board? Basically, it is a dream board of images and affirmations of your dreams and desires. It compiles the things that you want to have or happen in the future. This keeps you motivated and keep you on track, so you will know specifically what you want to happen in your life. First, get a notebook or a journal, then write the things that you want to happen in the future, but in the present tense, as if you already have it. I did this by writing in the middle of the page, what are you thankful for? Then I wrote in the present tense, in my case, for my complete cooking and baking set, because I really love cooking and baking. It can also be like, I'm thankful for landing in my dream job, or finally being with my whole family in Italy. This trick is a manifestation of the things that you want to have in the future. Act as if you're already living with it. This is where the law of attraction is being used. After that, I did a journal of how my dream life looks like. Again, in present tense. For me, it is Christmas time because I love Christmas. My family and I are having dinner in Switzerland, my dream country. We are talking about the fun times we shared and finally being financially free. I'm getting paid by traveling and tasting food because I love those. I'm thankful each and every day for being able to see the wonders of the world. I'm also grateful for my wholesome friends that stood by my side up to this day. They never left. I hope they're happy too. How about you? What's your dream life looks like? And I go to Pinterest and look for images of my ideal life. And I actually created a board there that contains the pictures and quotes for my vision board. Afterwards, I used Canva to make a collage of those pictures. And voila! This is what it looks like. I used it as my lock screen and home screen. You had the choice to print yours and put in your room. I just prefer it to be my wallpaper. This wouldn't be made possible without my inspiration for this video, Olivia Osborne. Her video is linked down below, so check it out. Salut! Merci!